You know that feeling when you lock something in a safe and then forget where you put the key? Now, imagine that safe is your wallet and the key is a secret sentence you only see once. That's the passphrase. And for Pi users, this is where the story gets serious. Pi generates your wallet passphrase right on your phone. It's created locally, never sent to Pi servers, and you are the only person who holds that key. That means two things. One, Pi can't pull up a copy if you lose it. And two, you can't change that generated passphrase later, like editing a password in an app. This isn't awkward security theater. It's the system doing what it's supposed to, keeping your crypto truly non-custodial. Now, let me say this straight. Losing that passphrase can be brutal. If you misplace it and didn't set up device biometrics or save the phrase securely, recovery is often impossible. You can create a new wallet, yes, but anything in the old wallet stays locked forever. Think of it like a one-way door. Okay, breathe, don't panic. Here's the funny part. Everyone talks tough online, but when real money's involved, people suddenly get sentimental about paper. So let's be human and smart. Here's the exact game plan for Pi pioneers, step by step. First, treat the passphrase like physical cash, not a password. When Pi shows you the 24-word phrase, copy it exactly in order onto paper immediately. Don't screenshot it. Don't email it. Paper stays offline and stubborn. Second, make two separate physical backups. One, you keep at home in a safe place, and another you store somewhere else, like a trusted family member's safe, a lockbox, or a safety deposit box. If your phone dies or you forget, one of those copies has your back. Yes, two copies. Redundancy is boring, but it works. Third, enable your phone's biometrics before you ever rely only on the app. Some recovery paths lean on device-level biometrics to ease re-entry. If you had this enabled before you lost the phrase, you have a better shot at restoring access. But don't treat biometrics as the only backup. They're helpful, not heroic. Fourth, test before you trust. After you save the phrase, do a dry run. Import the phrase into the Pi Wallet import screen on the same device or a spare device you fully control to confirm it opens. If it imports, great. You've proved the backup works. If not, fix it now. BitGet's recovery guide shows the same import test approach. It's standard practice. BitGet. Fifth, if you're tempted to use a password manager or cloud notes, be extremely cautious. Encrypted, reputable password managers are safer than plain text on your phone. But if you don't know how to use them securely, stick to paper and a safe. The enemy is convenience that becomes a leak. Now, the real pioneer pain points I hear in our group, people did everything right. They mined, they KYC'd, they followed the checklists, and then they hit an immovable brick wall because of passphrase confusion. Wallet UIs changed. Support tickets go slow, and some folks who lost passphrases simply gave up and deleted the app. That's the human cost of you are your own bank when nobody shows you how to be your own bank. So, what should you tell your crew? Say this. If Pi shows you a passphrase, treat it like cash in your pocket. Write it down twice. Test it once. Don't trust screenshots. Use biometrics as a backup, not the only backup. And if you ever lose it, be ready to accept the hard truth. The old wallet may be gone. Final note on that earlier advice I gave about choosing a long, unique phrase. That's great guidance when you can set your own passphrase. For Pi, you don't set it. Pi generates it. So the practical step is not to craft a better phrase. It's to treat the generated phrase like the most valuable physical item you own. The earlier line about picking four unrelated words still stands for other wallets you control. But for Pi, safe storage is the priority. Listen, I know this sounds heavy, but here's the upside. A little care now saves years of regret later. So pause for 1 minute after you finish this video. Go to your wallet, find your passphrase, write it down twice, store it like you mean it. Do that, and you'll sleep easier.